Hi, I want to talk to you about our reference books. I know not most people get excited about reference books, but I do because these are ones that kids actually want to look at. For example, our Not Your Everyday Illustrated Thesaurus is one of my daughter's favorite books. She's 7 years old, and she picks this one up just to read it. And I think it's because of the way it's set up. It's really interesting to look at. So if you know exactly what you're looking for, you can use the table of contents in the beginning. But she just kind of likes to look through it. So here's a page about materials and tools, a page about feeling words, words to say instead of said, words about the seasons, around the house. Really interesting book, and improving vocab. For our younger kids, we have our Big Picture Thesaurus. Again, lots of words and different topics. The words are kind of mixed in more with pictures. So a lot more pictures in this one and labels to go with those words. So how to describe people. Words about animals. The city. Those are our thesauruses. There's one more as well. We have several different atlases and then different books about the world. This one is my very first Our World book. It's kind of an introduction to different parts of the world. My 2-year-old really is enjoying this one. So it starts with planet Earth, and then it talks about different types of environments. So rainforests, deserts, mountains, different types of weather. Fun book. This is the Lift the Flap Picture Atlas, and we are really enjoying this one. So each page has a different continent, and then there are a ton of different flaps that have just little bits of information about that particular part of the continent. So maybe they're different countries, different things. And so on each page there are little flaps, like this one is the Great Barrier Reef. So you can see a little flap. And inside it has information about the Great Barrier Reef. And there's a bunch of those flaps over each page with the continents. And then in the very back, there's an envelope that has a big, large fold-out map. My kids have already taken it out so that they can look at it, but you can store it in here as well. It folds out and you can see it ends up looking like that. This is the Lift the Flap Picture Atlas. We have a ton of illustrated dictionaries, some of them specialized. This is the Illustrated Dictionary of Math. This one's for a little bit older kids, but we also have an elementary one. And just give you an idea of what it looks like inside here. It also has recommended websites, so some internet links in here. We have one of science. This is the Illustrated Dictionary. My daughter is really excited about this one. So I'll give you an example. So the words along with the pictures. We have several different encyclopedias, some of them specialized, like the Geography Encyclopedia. This is the Children's Encyclopedia. And what's fun about this one is it has those QR codes. So whatever it is you're learning about, let's see, like maybe Vikings. So you can read these pieces of information about Vikings, and then there's a QR code to take you to some links and learn even more about Vikings. So for example, the other day we were learning about plants, I think it's somewhere in the beginning, and it was plants that like a Venus flytrap, and we were able to take the link to it and watch a video of an actual plant eating an insect, and the kids thought that was really cool. So they got to read a little bit about something and follow the QR link and then learn even more and watch a video to go with it. So the Children's Encyclopedia is kind of a must-have in my opinion. We also have some other specialized books, like 100 Things to Know About Science, 100 Things to Know About Space. And what's fun about these is they look like infographics, which kids are really kind of into, because that's what they see when they're looking on their tablets and iPads and all of that. So for example, bridges, all the cells in your body, but really engaging pictures with little bits of information. 100 Things to Know. And this one I'm excited to look into more. We just got this one, The Story of Inventions. And so in the very beginning, has table of contents, a bunch of different things that have been invented. Land transportation, air travel, food, communication, writing, clothing, medicine. And then, so this one is The Spread of Chocolate. Tells you about the inventing chocolate. So let's say like a school age kind of level for this. But we have a ton more. That's just a sample. And they're really interesting. Kids enjoy looking at them because they're so engaging. And the internet links, QR codes, make it an easy way for you to expand on whatever it is they're learning. So I hope you'll check out a few of our reference books.